Hi everyone, I am Shaktivel, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. And today we are going to see about the glazing as a construction material. Glazing is a process of providing a glazy layer on a surface of a clay products or a ceramics. The glazing layer has been fused to a ceramic body by burning at a high temperature. The thickness of the glazing in generally about zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.2 mm. Different uses and methods of glazing are explained here. And the various uses of glazing, it includes that it acts as an impervious layer and makes the product durable, and the water or any other thing that does not passes into that layer, and it provides an aesthetic appearance to the product, and it also provides a smooth surface to the product, and it resists the actions of the chemicals, various atmospheric agencies, and etc. So thus it gives the proper smooth finishing, and it will gives the good aesthetic looks in case of looking under the other components. The methods of glazing has been of a two categories. One will be of a transparent glazing and another one it will be of an opaque glazing. The transparent glazing has been further classified into two categories. One will be of a lead glazing and another one it will be of a salt glazing. Lead glazing. The lead glazing has been further achieved by the two process, and in this method a mixture of a lead oxide and the tin oxide particles are prepared, and the clay product to be glazed is burnt in a kiln and taken out. The clay product is immersed in a prepared mixture of a lead and the tin oxides, and after that the clay product has been taken out and placed it in a kiln and heated at a high temperature, and thus it forms the proper glazing and looking like this. And this is the basin, wash basin, and the outer, it has been made up of a normal clay product and the outer surface has been glazed. And in then another step, the particle of oxides of lead and the tin are melted, and the glass-like layer is formed on the surface of a clay product, and the lead glaze formed is a smooth and of a better quality. Unlike the other glazing methods, the layer formed in this method does not penetrate the body of the clay product, and in a future it can be separated easily from the object and the surface if it is required. And in a fire clay product, terracotta products are glazed by using the lead glazings. Next one, it is of a salt glazing, and the salt glazing pipes has been shown here, and the salt glazing on a clay product has been achieved by using the salt or a wet sodium chloride, and in this method the clay object has been placed in a kiln and heated at a high temperature. During the burning of the clay, a small quantity of the wet sodium chloride, a wet salt, has been thrown in the kiln, and the wet salt has been vaporized, and the vapor formed is of a sticky nature. The salt vapor forms a glass like a layer on the surface of the clay product, and the salt glazing generally produces brownish color on the product, and the stoneware products, sanitary product pipes, etc., that has been glazed by this method. Next one, it will be of an opaque glazing. The opaque glazing products has been shown here, and the opaque glazing gives the better appearance than that of the transparent glazing. In this method, a finely powdered and the dry clay is taken, and an adequate amount of water has been added to it. Both are mixed until the required consistency, generally plastic consistency, is achieved. The mixture formed is called as a slip, and the name of the mixture is the slip, and the object to be glazed is dipped into the slip and afterwards heated in a kiln, and the slip surface melts and forms a layer on the surface of an object, and this layer formed is penetrated and the pores of the clay object, and hence it is difficult to detach the layer from the surface of the object, and the sanitary pipes that has been made of clay are glazed by this method. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.